Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rerun your DBT core jobs from the point of failure. I'm going to show you on a new incredible light mode. So here we have a DBT tag. If you want to remove all of the operations, all the materializations, you can aggregate everything at the task level. This is quite nice because it shows you all of the logs. And it's worth noting that if this had failed, you'd be able to rerun it here from the point of failure. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to initiate a DBT retry under the hood. And that is going to retry all the models from the point of failure by looking at the previous model's run results.json. If you wanted to just retry a single model, what you have to do is you go to show operations and hit apply, and then you can rerun a single model. We can just rerun this one. We can rerun the downstream. Super easy. Okay, we're done. That's pretty great. And as you can see, we've just done the model we wanted and the downstream dependencies. So I'll drop some more info on DBT in the comments. Let us know your thoughts.